Hey guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, and in this weekly video report, I talked about a number of themes that I see emerging in the markets. Number one, I talked about the second tier of the NASDAQ stock market being in an accelerated crash condition. I also talked about a paradigm shift in the Japanese yen trading pairs, and I also spoke about the emerging bull trend in pound versus New Zealand dollar. Now, even though the NASDAQ stock index is hovering just about 5 or 7% from its all-time high a couple of months ago, this is being masked by several stocks that are holding up the index, namely Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and these stocks are still relatively strong relative to a number of sectors in the NASDAQ that have already crashed. So the EV spectacle that we heard so much about is now crashing down to earth. Tesla went a little bit below $600 today. So Tesla's down 30% from its high around $900. There's a bunch of EV plays, F-Cell and Plug Power, that have crashed 50% from their highs. And there is just a litany of stocks in the NASDAQ that has crashed 30 to 50%. Ticker symbol SNOW, ticker symbol DASH. The great product that we all came to embrace over the COVID Zoom video, ticker symbol ZM, is down about 50% from its high at 588. It's just hovering a little bit above $300. So I think this is kind of the unsung story of the NASDAQ. There has been an absolute dismantling under the radar in the NASDAQ, and I expect that to continue. Also, the Japanese yen has been strengthening for many decades, but I see that changing now as the yen is starting to weaken against the dollar, weaken against the euro, weaken against the pound, and it looks like this trend has just started to get underway and will likely continue. Lastly, the pound versus New Zealand dollar. I've been suggesting and saying to our members since I saw a double bottom price pattern at the 185 that this was a stealth bull market, and last week we saw the pound New Zealand rocket from 193 to 197. So if you'd like to understand how I capitalize on monster trades in the market, then I highly suggest you download my weekly video report. Now, this is a no-brainer offer because the weekly video report is a pay what you want kind of opportunity. So you decide the value you want to derive from understanding monster moves. Also this week I spoke about spot gold, ticker symbol XAU USD, suggested putting a sell stop at 17.19, and right now gold is trading $12 lower at 17.07 and looking a lot lower. So again, if you want to understand how to capitalize on monster moves in the market, I suggest you download the weekly video report. It's a pay what you want, you decide, and hopefully I will see you on the next weekly video report. With that said, I wish you guys a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I will see you next time.